Dear 8th standard students, welcome back to this video session on Maths Term 3. Now we are going to solve exercise 5.5. Let us get into the session.
Exercise 5.5, third Roman number. Construct the following rectangles with the given measurements and also find their area. Listen, they given the measurements. First HAND, HA equal to 7 centimeter and AN equal to 4 centimeter. HA, that is continuous letter, so that is a side, and AN, that is also continuous letter, so that is also side. They given two sides. From that we have to construct the rectangles. First step, draw the rough diagram and then construct the rectangles. What measurements as they given. First step, draw a line segment HA equal to 7 centimeter. So draw a line segment HA equal to 7 centimeter. HA, that is 7 centimeter, and then next at H construct HX perpendicular to HA. How will you construct that? Means perpendicular line. Take any measurements from H and draw the semicircle. Don't change the measurement and take this as center and draw two arcs continuously. From that, first arc, take hubble of measurements and draw the arc. Now draw the perpendicular line. HX, that is perpendicular to HA. Now with H as center, draw an arc of radius 4 centimeter at D. So take the measurement 4 centimeter and take H as a center and draw the arc, and with A also same measurement and draw the arc. Next one, take the measurement 7 centimeter, it is D. With the D as center, take measurement 7 centimeter and draw another arc to cut the previous arc. At N, join AN and ND. We get the rectangle, that is 4 centimeter, here 7 centimeter and here also 4 centimeter. Now we have to find out the area. What is the formula? Calculation area of rectangle equal to L into B square units. What is L here? 7 into 4, that is 28 centimeter square. That is the area. So construction, rough diagram, far diagram and calculation, that is the answer. Third Roman number, second subdivision, LAND. LA equal to 8 centimeter, that is continuous letter. AD, that is alternative letter, so that is side, and this one is diagonal. One side and one diagonal they given. From that we have to construct the rectangle, draw the rough diagram, and then now let me draw this construct the rectangle. First step, draw a line segment LA equal to 8 centimeter. LA equal to 8 centimeter. Next, construct LX perpendicular to LA at A. So, at L. So, from with L as center, take any measures below half. Draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle. Don't change your measurement. Take the same measurement, and from here we have to draw an arc on the semicircle. And from that arc, with the arc as radius, draw another arc on the semicircle. Now, between these two arcs, we have to take half of above half measurement and draw an arc, and with another arc as radius, draw another arc to cut the previous arc. Now, draw a line, pass through the arcs as the X. Now, LX is perpendicular to LA. Perpendicular means that is 90 degree, that is. Okay. Next one. With A as center, draw an arc of radius 10 centimeter. So, measure 10 centimeter with your compass, and with A as center, draw an arc of radius 10 centimeter at D. Now, join AD, that is how much? 10 centimeter. And next step, with A and D as centers, first A as center, draw an arc of radii, length of LD. So, take the length of LD with A as center, draw an arc, and D as center, 8 centimeter. Measure 8 centimeter and with D as center, draw the arc to cut the previous arc. At N. Now join AN and DN. AN and DN. Now we get the required rectangle. Now measure the AN length, that is breadth. No? That is 5.8 centimeter. Now calculation. Area of rectangle. What is the formula for area of rectangle? L into B square units. What is L here? 8 centimeter, and breadth we found that is 5.8. Multiply this two numbers means we get 46.4 centimeter square. That is area. That is the answer. Now the fourth Roman number. Construct the following squares with the given measurements and also find their area. First subdivision, EAST. EA equal to 6.5 centimeter. Square means all the sides are equal. So the given one side. From that we have to construct the square. So first draw the rough diagram, and what's the first step? Draw a line segment EA equal to 6.5 centimeter. So draw a line segment 6.5 centimeter. EA 6.5 centimeter. And then at E, construct EX perpendicular to EA. So with ES center, take the measurement below half and draw a semicircle. Semicircle means half circle, that is okay. So semicircle, and then take the same measurements here as the center and draw the arc. Draw an arc. With the arc as center, draw another arc on the semicircle. And what is the next step? Between the two arcs, take the measurement above half. And draw an arc above the semicircle. With another arc also, we have to draw a arc to cut the previous arc above the semicircle. And then what is the next step? Draw a line through the arcs, that is X. So EX is perpendicular to EA, that is 90 degree. Next step, with E as center, draw an arc of radius 6.5 centimeter. With E as center, what is the measurement? 6.5. 6.5 arc at T. Next one, A and T as center, draw an arc of radii 6.5 centimeter each at S. With AS center also 6.5 centimeter and TS center also 6.5 centimeter. So take the same measurement with AS center, draw an arc, and then TS center with the same measurement, draw an arc to cut the previous arc at S. Now join AS and TS. Now we get the required square. Now calculation. Area of square. Area of square, what is the formula? A into A, side into side, right? So A into A square units. What is the side here? 6.5 into 6.5. Multiply these numbers means we get 42.25 centimeter square. That is area. That is the answer. Fourth Roman number, second subdivision, WEST. WS equal to 7.5 centimeter. From that, W and S are alternative letters. So that is diagonal. They given a diagonal. From that we have to construct a square. First draw the rough diagram, and then what is the first step? Draw a line segment. WS equal to 7.5 centimeter. Take your ruler and measure 7.5 centimeter. Draw a line. .5 centimeter. WS. And next step, what is that? Draw the perpendicular bisector XY to WS. Let it bisect WS at O. How will you draw the perpendicular bisector? In the line WS, take above half of the centimeter. Above half, and with WS center, draw an arc either side of the line WS, and with SS center also draw another arc to cut the previous arc either side of the line at X and Y. Now join that. X and Y, through the center O. What is the next step? With O as center, draw an arc of radius 3.75 centimeter. How will you get the 3.75? That is the diagonal 7.5. 7.5 divided by 2. We get 3.75 centimeter. That is half of the centimeter of 7.5. So take 3.75, that is nearest to 3.8. Take the radius, or either OW as radius, that is also half of 7.5. So C, that is also 3.75. with O as center. Draw arcs either side of O which cut OX at E. OX at E and OY at T. This is T. Now, what is the next step? Join WE ES and ST and TW. We get the required square WEST. Now, measure the length of any side, that is 5.2. All the sides are 5.2. We know that. Now, the calculation. Area of square. What is the area of square? A into A square units. What is A here? 5.2. That is we found 5.2 into 5.2. Multiply this number means we get 27.04 centimeter square, that is area. That is the answer. Here exercise 5.5 is over. So children, practice well. I'll see you again in next exercise. Thank you.